Ordering your TRAK 2.0 Immersion Bundle is easy. Let me walk you through the simple steps. First, from TRAK let's make sure we've selected our currency of choice from the top right of the website. Next, let's click to learn more about the TRAK 2.0 Immersion Bundle. Now, from this page we can select from a few options. Look to the options sidebar to the right of the screen. Start by selecting from one of our 4 color combinations. I've chosen black with green. Next, select whether you'd like to pay in full to take advantage of the free Drysuit or Essentials kit, each worth over $900, or choose the 12-month payment plan option to place your first $300 deposit. I'm going with the full payment. After that, you can select which add-on package you'd like bundled with your kayaks. Choose from either the free Drysuit or Essentials kit with a full payment, or add these items to your payment plan for $60 a month and save $120 overall with your payment plan. You can choose not to add anything extra to your payment plan and pay $300 per month. You'll notice that mixing the monthly payment plan add-ons with the full payment option will show unavailable, and vice versa. Make sure you select the correct add-on for your payment method. Now that you've built your order, you can proceed to the checkout screen to finalize your payment and shipping details. TRAK Kayaks also sells a variety of other essential paddling gear that you can pair with your new boat. And of course, the TRAK team is always standing by to help you build a tailored package that will help you get unleashed on the water.